Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the official Apple silicone case for the new and exciting iPhone SE. I'll be taking a close look at its quality, weight and fit, as well as seeing the amount of protection that it will give to your new handset. When first opening the packaging of the case, I'm impressed with the smooth premium silicone texture on the outer section of the case. Then when flipping the case over, there is a soft velvet compartment which your phone fits into. So when your device is attached, it is cushioned by this velvet and also reduces any chance of your phone becoming scratched if in the unlikely event that grit was to enter the case, therefore conserving the pristine condition of your new device. The case is practically identical to the iPhone 8 silicone case. The only thing that has changed is the location of the Apple logo on the back, which is also one of the very few visual differences between the iPhone 8 and the iPhone SE. If the location of the logo doesn't faze you, and you already own an Apple iPhone 8 silicone case, you could use that instead of buying a new one. But if you want your phone to be recognised as the new 2020 iPhone SE model, you can buy this new cover for a similar price as the iPhone 8 silicone case. The phone fits immaculately into the cover. There is no space for the phone to move, allowing you to feel assured that your handset is safe when it is attached. The case adds no additional weight or size to your device, therefore your phone continues to fit comfortably when placed in your pocket. In terms of the case offering protection to your iPhone SE, I believe it would prevent your phone from scratches and maybe even small falls. Though if it is a heavy duty case you are needing, this is not the best choice for you. Because if your device was to undercome a heavy impact fall, it may not be able to protect your phone. I do think the silicone material adds grip, as it feels secure when it is placed in your hand. This also means there is less chance of your phone sliding around when on a smooth surface. This is also ideal for adding extra grip when placed in car holders, so you can comfortably follow directions hands-free knowing your phone is securely positioned. The phone's display and lightning connector is exposed. These features are guarded by a slight raised lip, though if they were to come into direct contact, they would be vulnerable to becoming damaged. The device's external buttons are covered. This doesn't affect the function of these features. This is definitely an advantage, as I have found with some of the cases that cover the volume adjustment buttons, the need to apply extra pressure to change the volume on your device. The case is available in white, black and pink sand. I am modelling the black case on the product red handset today. I personally think these two colours combined look very tasteful and stylish. When purchasing an official Apple product, you definitely get your money's worth. The quality of their accessories reflect the excellence of their devices. This case feels far from cheap, and I'm sure its appearance will stay intact long after purchasing. If you are looking for a case that will withhold the iPhone SE's original design and protect it from light scuffs and scrapes, this is definitely a case you should consider buying. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it has been helpful to you. If you have enjoyed today's video and would like to see more content regarding mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day.